Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to do the display comparison between the Realme GT Neo 2 versus the display of this phone, which has got the curved edges on both sides, as you can see. So which is not the Explorer edition, this is not the Realme Explorer, this is the Mi11 device which I'm trying to use right now in the video for the demonstration. So I'm getting plenty of comments because I did use this phone in a couple of videos as a side. So they did ask me, is that phone a Realme Explorer edition? Can you please compare both phones side by side in terms of the display quality because of the curved edges which is present, as you can see. If the Realme Explorer edition get launched in India, then the phone will look like this exactly, but this is not the Realme Explorer edition. This is a Mi 11 which I'm trying to use for the past few months. As you can see, this is a Mi 11 phone which I'm trying to use. So which is really good phone, friends, in terms of the curved edges and everything. Let's get started with the display comparison between both phones. How much difference you're gonna see in terms of 10-bit color panel versus 8-bit color panel, 1500 nits of maximum peak brightness versus 1300 nits of maximum peak brightness levels. So there's a lot of changes has been happening. 2K resolution versus 1080 resolution. So there's plenty of changes, friends, between these both phones. Let's see in the practical test how much difference we're gonna see between these both phones in terms of the display clarity and everything. In terms of the display size, 6.81 inches screen size, friends, which is really big size, but it doesn't feel so big at all. Definitely I can say that. 6.2 inches screen size on the Realme GT Neo 2, and even in the display properties we can clearly see the resolution which is a 1440 and 1080 resolution in the Realme GT Neo 2, and 409 pixel density and 515 pixel density you do have here. Refresh rate 120Hz, both are same. Touch sampling rate 480Hz and 600Hz, but default we do get only 300Hz touch sampling rate. So you can see a lot of changes has been there, and Gorilla Glass 7 protection which is present here, so which you can clearly see. So this is the one thing, friends, which I did like in the Mi11 device, and the reason why I'm not selling this phone, because this phone I'm trying to use as my daily driver phone, Mi 11 smartphone. Yes, because of this curved edges smartphone which has got really very good effect while watching videos, as you can see, which is so beautiful thing. That's the one thing which I did like in this smartphone. And another thing is about the 2K resolution. Oh my god, the 2K resolution which feels really good while watching the videos and the content. Yes, it makes a lot of difference as well. So right now I'll try to play the demonstration video between both phones side by side. We'll be able to analyze what is happening with the colors and saturation levels. Exactly, I should show you what kind of display settings I'm trying to use in this Mi 11 smartphone. So here we go, friends. These are the display settings. In the color scheme, you do have plenty of options, auto mode, saturation mode, and a lot of things where you can actually enhance the colors a lot different. As you can see, so much customization options which is present in this Mi 11 smartphone. Apart from that, we do have the display resolution, 2K resolution, as you can see, quad HD resolution we do have, refresh rate 120Hz, AI engine also. There's a lot of advantages which is present in this device. As you can see, in terms of the display, this is like top-notch display at this moment we can actually get, but unfortunately this phone did not launch. We do have the Mi 11 Ultra, that's so expensive, but these are the settings which I did use during this process of demonstration in this Mi 11 device. So this is how the display comparison begins between both phones with the low brightness I'm trying to use at this moment, completely low brightness, and I'll try to increase the slightly kind of brightness, little by little. I'm trying to increase just to show you what is happening. Wow. If the Realme Explorer edition get launched in India, that could be really biggest hit, but they did not launch, unfortunately. That Realme, I'm not sure what they are doing, but if they launch for this kind of curved edges bringing under 30K, that will be really good deal. But as you can see, the colors and saturation levels, how much it is in the 10-bit panel, you can see the difference, how bright, and the 2K resolution feels, my god. So you'll be able to feel this kind of things unless you watch personally, friends. You may not be able to notice in this video while watching, but it feels so crisp and really good saturation levels and contrast, so much details you can actually watch in the 2K resolution screen. So that's the reason I thought of comparing with the 2K resolution and the 1080 resolution, just to give a clear idea what is going on between both phones. As you can see, friends, the details are really good, 2K and the 1080. So very soon the company should launch the 2K resolution phones as well. Look at the saturation levels of the grass, how it is, how much green color looks really very green, very green. Which looks fantastic, friends, watching between these both phones. And in the Mi 11 there's an option which says 2K resolution, so you can actually upscale clearly. As you can see, if you try to enable this upscale, what happens is that the resolution will be increased more, like 2K resolution. That's another next level advantage. That's very good to have this kind of 2K resolution screen. So curved edges also looks really very beautiful. The curved edges. This is the advantage of curved displays. It's the one thing which I always admire, and that's the one reason why I'm still using the Mi 11 smartphone with me. The curved edges are the main reason why. Try to look at the borders and everything. So that's friends, is a quick comparison between both phones, instead of just comparing between both 2K resolution and the curved display of from the Mi 11. And since I'm getting plenty of comments asking me to make a video with the Explorer edition, so that of making a video, friends. So this is not the Explorer edition, this is just the Mi 11 only, which I'm trying to use. Unfortunately, I don't have the Explorer edition at this moment. So these are the slim bezels you can actually get in a smartphone. On the top and bottom, you can clearly see how slim bezels are in the Mi 11 device. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and this just a quick display comparison between both phones, 10-bit panel versus 8-bit panel. This is how it looks, curved display versus not curved display, and 2K resolution versus 1080 resolution. So in every aspect, slightly higher, 1500 nits of brightness versus 1300 nits of peak brightness levels. And here we go, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and let's stay for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.